So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search for condos here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Zillow application. Once that is done, go to the search bar in the bottom left and go to the top screen, the top part of the screen, the top right, and press on the filters icon. It's those three vertical lines right beside the search bar. Simply just press on that. Then when you're on the filters page, simply just scroll down below where it says bathrooms to where it says home type. And by default, if you haven't changed anything already, it should have everything checked so that anytime you're viewing a listing, there should be a listing showing up for houses, townhomes, apartments, condos, etc. If you only want to view condos, it's pretty straightforward. Simply just under home type, uncheck houses, uncheck townhomes, uncheck apartments, leave condos slash co-ops checked. Uncheck lots/land, uncheck multifamily, and then uncheck manufactured. Once that is done and condos is selected, go to the bottom and press on see results. And this way, when you're searching for listings now, only condos should show up. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can search for condos here on Zillow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.